Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we did get this hitch receiver in the mail today, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on our F-150, or at least attempt it. We've never done this before, but let's go ahead and see if we can do it. Alright, here it is, the Draw-Tite Hitch receiver that we got. We will leave the part number down in our description in case you have a F-150 like ours. This is a 2016, so that's what we have fit for it. We also did pick up a Lexivon 1/2-inch torque wrench. We bought it off of Amazon, but a big shout out to John's Daily Hustle. He has a YouTube channel and he's a big supporter of ours. He did suggest this in one of his videos, so we'll leave that video in our description as well. Alright, so here are the pieces that this hitch receiver does come with. You will need a 3/4 wrench and a 21. So we have those right now, and our torque wrench, of course. But yeah, here is the hitch receiver against our truck. We did get one of these off, but we are going to go ahead and get the other 3 of those bumper bolts off. Yeah, it's pretty stuck on, but thankfully our grandpa gave us this toolbox and it did have a breaker bar in it. Yeah. So thank you to him for that. Yeah, they were kind of tight from the factory, I'm guessing. But yeah, we'll show you guys underneath of it. Jackie can point out which ones that you want to take off first. And then we will just go ahead and fast forward and take all 3 of them off. Okay, so these are the 2 nuts that we are taking off. So here is the first one. Also, we are wearing gloves just so then we don't hurt our hands. You might hit your knuckles on here, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly where these bolts are, just in case you aren't sure. So there is the spare tire, and there it is right there. You do have those ones next to it, but we're looking for those ones. So on this driver's side, I just went ahead and put them to the very tip of that. I didn't go ahead and take them off. Those ones are all the way off over there. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the next step. Okay, so for this step, we will be slipping our hitch receiver onto these 2 bolts up here. So these 2 holes will be going onto those. Okay, so both sides are slipped on. So now we will be using our carriage bolt and this little plate that it did come with, and we will be slipping it on right here. There is a hole right up there that we will be slipping onto the leaf spring bracket. Okay, so this is the plate Abby was talking about. You just want to slide it in here. We already did her side, but there is this little opening over here. I can show them. This opening, that's basically how I stuck it in over here. It's a little hard to do, but you just kind of have to move it around until you can get it. So let me go ahead and do that. Now it did come with these, is it, Abby? Yep, the washer and the nut there. You do want to put the washer right side up. And then we will be using our torque wrench to tighten this to whatever it does say in the manual. Yeah, and we're not sure how to work this. So, yeah, we've never used a torque wrench, so I think we're gonna have to go watch a YouTube video or something. And we'll go look at what it needs. Yeah, I don't know what any of that means. Okay, well, the hitch receiver is on right now. At least it's on, and the bumper is still intact. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from the outside. Okay, so here's what the hitch receiver does look like. We did have to take out this little cap here. Otherwise it doesn't fit in all the way, but we don't really care about that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now we just kind of got to align our bumper, which it doesn't look too bad, honestly. And then we are going to go ahead and figure out how to use that torque wrench. Yeah, which I do have a YouTube video pulled up now. Yeah, so we'll have to definitely put that in our description. As well as we did use a video for figuring out how to put the hitch receiver on. We used like a U-Haul video. They showed kind of how to do it, so we'll also include that in the description. Okay, whenever I was untightening those bolts, this thing did fall out onto the ground. I don't know what it is. If any of you guys know, let us know down below because we can't figure it out. Yeah. But here we did figure out how to use this torque wrench. So I guess all I took from that video is that there's a spring inside here. But what you want to do is untighten this going counterclockwise until it can go the farthest, and then you basically move this. It'll raise up to what you want it. So I think, was it 75 we wanted to go to? Yep, our first one will be the 75 for the carriage bolts. I think we go to the 70 and then have 5 hit it there, I think. Yeah. Do you think that's at it? I think so. Okay, so then we'll tighten this back up. And this is what we're going to tighten our carriage bolts at. Does it click? It's supposed to. Oh gosh. That step is now finished. There it is. So we have both of those torqued on. Now we are going to do the bumper. Okay, these ones are going to be at 148 foot-pounds. So there it is. Right there. Now tighten that and we're good to go. It's almost there. Yep, it's getting tight. Oh. Yeah, maybe I have to stand up for that or something. Oh. You're like moving the truck. Yeah. It feels like I'm gonna break it. Got it. Okay. Now we have to do 3 more. Yeah. I'll do the other 2. Yeah. Do we want to yeah. Right there. Probably. We can always change it too. Yeah. Does it go like that or do one more? That should be good, I think. Okay, there it is. We did go ahead and stick our hitch on. Now we will probably use this tomorrow, but yeah, it's really solid. It's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, we're really happy with it. It only took us a little less than an hour just because we did not know what we were doing. But yeah, I think it looks really nice. Let us know down below what you guys think. Okay, so there that is for this video. We got it all put on and we're definitely going to be having to show some other videos hauling with it. Yeah, we have been meaning to do this for a while just because we want to haul our 5x8 with this truck. Yeah, also that Lexivon torque wrench did a really great job today. We're not sure how long it's going to hold up, but we will definitely have to be using it in some other projects. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you do use this as help for installing your own hitch receiver, let us know down below. We would love to know. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you guys in the next video.